Hi everyone, it's us. I have all the papers put together. I'm actually dripping sweat off my...
He worked too hard. He got it done before I got the first one in a tube.
Yeah, because you're not driving fast enough.
Because if I drove any faster, you'd yell because I was going too fast and I was making a mess and knocking things over.
Yeah, I'm dripping in sweat. But I do have them all done. He's got a big stack up there. I've got the tote clear full. So now I can turn this light off.
And now I can take a nap.
No, because you're driving.
You got your work done. Now you can take overnight and sit back
there. We'll be putting our first one in about another 4 or 5 minutes.
I want to get the last one, not the first one.
Well, I'm sorry, but we still got a little more to go.
A little more? Yeah, about 3 hours.
Something like that. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.